Show me fear. You have to be sad. Oh, sad. Oh, with joy. Yeah.
Magandang araw, mga kaibigan. Ako ang inyong Kichika at welcome sa aking YouTube channel. Dito, matutunghayan ninyo ang mga showbiz updates na siguradong kapupulutan ninyo ng aral at aliw. Kung bago ka pa lang dito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aking mga bagong videos. Si Serena ay ang batang babae na anak ng host ng It's Showtime na si Jong Hilario. Ang batang si Serena ay kinagigiliwan ngayon ng netizen dahil sa natatanging charm, cuteness at likas sa pagiging matalino nito.
Show me fear. You have to be sad. Oh, sad. Oh,
Sa video nga ay makikitang ginagawa ng batang si Serena ang iba't ibang emosyon at talagang tuwang-tuwa ang mga netizen sa kanya.
at her name. Basta, be crazy. Ano, envy, yes.
Marami ang natutuwa sa kanya at narito ang ibang komento ukol sa video. This cutie is really very smart and cute. The next Lea Salonga. She handles herself very well and she can interact with people around her. Plus she is not camera shy. Very lucky mommy and daddy. You're such a smart and cute little girl, very intelligent. Your parents are so blessed. I love watching your videos. You have a fan here from far away. Hope to see you when I go back home. I simply love you. Serena, you're not just cute. You're lovely, smart for your age. God bless you. Ang galing na bata. Serena is smart and intelligent girl. Proud parents. Mr. Jong and wifey pwedeng maging artista. Super cute and very smart little girl. Congrats Sir Jong Hilario and Mommy Maya for best parenting, smart and cuteness overload. I could say Serena is one of the best among showbiz kids in this generation. Layo ng mararating nitong batang to, kakatuwa. Love you Sari. Maraming nagsasabi na talagang napakaswerte ng mag-asawa dahil may anak silang katulad ni Sari.